Inflation. Inflation is the gradual but sustained rise in general price levels. Governments aim to keep inflation as low as possible, but over time, inflation has a marked effect on the value of money. If you intend to save long-term, the effect of inflation will negatively impact on your savings, as your money will be worth less than when you started. If you save a set amount of money each month for 20 years, you will be looking at a substantial amount when you retire. Imagine that you manage to save $100,000. What will $100,000 buy you today? Perhaps a house? Now think what the same amount would have bought 20 years ago. It may have bought 2 houses. Now imagine what it will buy you 20 years from now. You might wonder how you are going to retire at all. Inflation erodes the value of money over time. Assuming a consistent rate over the 20 years, the erosion could be estimated and you could save an amount equal to $100,000 at today's value. In this way, you would future-proof your investment. Unfortunately, things are never that simple, and with the number of influences affecting it, the rate of inflation will vary over time, sometimes dramatically. To view the rate of inflation that existed any time since 1914, use the inflation calculator on the inflationdata.com website. The answer to future-proofing investments against the effects of inflation is to increase the amount of money saved annually by at least the rate of inflation. More, if you can manage it, to take account of any years when the rate is especially high. That way, you stand a good chance of maintaining the value of your savings. Always adjust your budget when you can to deposit more money into